be showing you how to draw Dogman. So first you'll need a piece of paper and a pen. So first you will need to draw a tiny circle to the right of your paper. Just like this. And then you're going to have to draw a line to the left of that circle. Then stop at about an inch whenever you've drawn to the circle, and then do a half circle just like this. And you can pause the video if I'm going too fast. Next, you'll need to connect that half circle to the little ball, like this. After that, you'll need to do the body. So, you're going to have to do a line to the left, going in a curve shape. Same on the right. Then, you'll need to connect both of the lines in like an oval shape. Just like this. Then, we are going to be drawing the logo. It looks like this. So, a half circle again, and then just 3 basic mountains. Just like this. Next, you need to draw a line on top of his head, just like this. Not really that tall. Then, you will need to draw the top going to the right, and then back down. So, basically like a square. And then, you'll need to draw a line to the right of that square. Then, draw a curved triangle up, like this. Then, we need to do pants. So, like, curve it out to the left and to the right, just like this. Then, you'll need to do curve to the left and to the right and the inside, just like this. Then you'll need to draw shoes on the left side and on the right side. And then you'll need to connect the shoes, already did. Connect the shoes to his pants. So like cover him up. So next is his arms. So you're going to draw the same little curves as you did on the arms and legs. So then you draw the insides again on both sides. Then you'll need to draw 4 little humps on both sides. And then the eyes are just straight, so they go right down, like this. Next, you need to do a mouth. It looks like this. And then you'll need to draw 3 little dots. One here, and one here, right about to his nose, like this. Next, we're going to do his ears. So, there will be a curved ears, just like that. And remember, you can always pause the video if I went too fast. And that's it for this video. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.